Hello and welcome. In this video lesson, I'm going to show you how to create and add privacy policy to your Google Blogger blog. Having a privacy policy page on your Google Blogger is very important because the main aim of this course is to know how to make money from Google blog, and one of the ways by which you are going to make money from your blog is by making use of Google Adsense on your blog. And without a privacy policy, it's going to be very hard for you to get approved by Google Adsense. Apart from this, if you would like to make money from Amazon associate on your blog, you also need to have a privacy policy before Amazon can approve you as one of their affiliates. So because of this, let's get started with creating our privacy policy. The first thing you need to do is we need to go over to this website known as privacypolicygenerator.info. When you get here, all you have to do is you need to either click on this or just fill your privacy policy right here. It's going to ask for your company name, and I'm going to come right here to use my Google Blogger blog as my company name. But if you have a company name you want to use apart from probably you have a company name that is attached to your new blog, you can make use of that company name right here. Then so also you need to have your website name, and this is our website name. We can put http. Then what is your website URL? Then it means this is what I'm supposed to have right here, and I'm going to copy this right here. And then you need to click on the next button. So it's asking us, do you use cookies on your website? I'm going to say yes. Do you show advertising through Google AdSense on your website? I'm going to choose yes. Do you show advertising from other parties? We're going to choose yes. And I'm going to click on next. Where are you located? I'm going to choose United States for our case. And where are you can put your state, New York. Okay, then you can have your email address right here, and then click on generate my privacy policy. Great, our privacy policy is ready. So we need to copy the privacy policy to our Blogger blog, and I'm going to click over here. Okay, or you can just come over here and press Ctrl A on your PC, then press Ctrl C. That means you've copied it. Then need to come over to our Blogger blog and create a page. Just click on new page, and then what we copied earlier, we are going to paste it right here, but it's not going to be in the compose menu, because the privacy policy is in form of HTML. So we are going to turn to HTML, and I'm going to right click and paste it right here. You can see it right here. So if you switch over to compose, everything is going to carry the formatting that we copied from here, and it's going to look neater. So you can look over to the content and see if there's anything you don't like. Probably if you want to remove, like this one, it's a link to another website. I might decide I won't like it, and I just remove the link. And so many other things. Probably you want to bold some certain area of the privacy policy, or you want to add more content. You can come right here and add more content to your privacy policy, and you can come over here and add the title of the page, and we're going to name it privacy policy. All right, so our privacy policy page is ready. We need to publish. Great, our privacy policy page is ready and it's published. So the next thing we need to do is we need to come over to our blog and try and create a menu for the privacy policy. There are two places we can put our privacy policy. It's either we come over here and put it right at the top, or probably we find another place, probably at the footer area, maybe somewhere around here. So we are going to go to the layout of the blog, and I'm going to go right there and look at the widget, the arrangement of the widget, and see where the footer area is located in the layout. So we see the top, the header, and let me go down. This is the page body and this is the footer area. So we want to add the privacy policy at the footer area. I'm going to click on the attribution link. Great, and this is the copyright section that displays this. This powered by Blogger, and we can come back there and input our HTML code that is going to display our privacy policy. So we need to know the URL of the privacy policy page. If I click on view, you see this is the URL of the privacy policy page. Then I need to copy it and come back to the attribution widget, and I'm going to type the HTML code. It's going to be href is equal to double, and I'm going to close it up like this. And then what title do we want to display? It's going to be privacy policy. All right, and then the link we just copied from the privacy policy page, I'm going to paste it right there. So make sure the link is not too long, because if it's too long, this box is not going to accommodate it. So after doing that, you make sure you close your a tag as well with this, and then you can now, you see, this is how it's going to look, and we can save it. Great, the privacy policy page has been saved. Then I want to go back to the home page of the blog, and I'm going to scroll down. We added the privacy policy right here, and we've been able to achieve our aim. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.